This is Brian, back with a Vechain video. I just wanted to do a quick update here, go over a couple of news articles with you and give you an idea where this chart might be headed here. But I know yesterday everybody was worried about the Federal Reserve, about what Powell was going to say when he testified up there, but actually it was pretty decent. He said we have to be open to the idea that somewhere in there's technology that can be featured in productive innovation that makes people's lives better, Powell told members of the committee in his twice yearly trip to testify on Capitol Hill. We don't want to stifle innovation. He talked about FTX and the collapse and all that, but if you're interested in reading any more of it, you can jump over there on CoinDesk and read that. Cardano has a $341 million in total value locked, touches a new all-time high on Cardano's DeFi ADA tokens, what they have locked up there. So that's pretty huge for Cardano holders. Guy lost $96,000 off his Coinbase account. Said that he received a text from his mobile carrier in May describing a SIM card change request that he hadn't made. When he restored service to his iPhone the next day with a new card, Ferguson, he learned that almost his entire life savings was gone from his Coinbase account. Could you imagine? That would be horrible. They wrote back to him, it says, please note you are solely responsible for the security of your email, your passwords, your two-factor authentication codes, and your devices, Coinbase wrote Ferguson. According to the complaint filed Monday in San Francisco federal court, Coinbase's email disclaimed any responsibility for the hacking of its customers' accounts. I feel so bad for this guy. My heart goes out to him. What a shame. These scammers, what a horrible thing to do to somebody. My heart goes out to you. One more article I want to go over. If you could please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy content like this. I would love to have you here every day. I just like to cover a few articles to keep everybody in the loop with what's going on. But it says Binance here can move ahead with its plans to acquire Voyager Digital. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and state regulators were against it, but a judge overruled it. The deal was worth over $1 billion, and it goes on to say that with Voyager lawyers saying creditors could potentially make a 73% recovery with a bullish crypto market raising a previous estimate of 51%. So that's huge. We don't want to see Voyager go under. They've been around for a long time, and what a big move for CZ. They're the owner of Binance. That's fantastic. So let's take a look at this Vechain chart. Still in this falling wedge. This is Vechain on the 4-hour. I wanted to take a look at the 200 and the 50-day moving average. The 50 is in the red. The 200 is in the green. Looks like the green is flipping over here. The green's flipping over the top. That's not good to see. You don't want to see that. But these falling wedges, like I said yesterday, it's right around 80% at the time. They break to the upside. So keep that in mind here. Just when you see, a lot of these things will fake out. XRP did it today. I was talking about it yesterday, and sure enough, it faked out. What it did is it broke down, looked like it was going to crash, broke back up into the pattern, and broke out. And I've seen these things do it 1,000 times. They'll ride down here, you'll sell your stuff, it'll break down, and then bounce back out. It doesn't. This isn't financial advice. I'm just telling you what I have seen in this market, and I've seen it happen a lot. 8 out of 10 times this thing breaks up. So take from that what you will. I'm not saying it'll do either, but this is the pattern that's forming, and we're still holding that pattern right now. So if we go out on the daily, you can see where we got. If this thing if it would break out, I would see it coming back up to this. This 0.0323 area, more than likely to retest this high right here. There isn't much in there holding it down. You got a ton of resistance over here, but it's probably going to come up, retest that high. If it breaks up, we got all this support through here right now, holding this coin up. So quite honestly, I think I think it's pointing up anyway. I hope so. I mean, I'm just like everybody watching this video probably. I hold Vechain, so I'm hoping for the latter here, and we'll see what happens. Check back with you guys tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. I would love to have you here every day, and I enjoy spending time with you here every day. So have a great night, everybody.